So how can you create a Telegram account in 2023? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open Telegram. From this screen, you can swipe to the right to check the features that Telegram comes with. If you don't care about that, tap on Start Messaging at the bottom right here. Here, tap on Continue and give it any permission that it asks for. Once you're done, tap on Country right here and choose the country. It's a big list, so of course you're going to choose your country, and then right under it, type your phone number. And then tap on this arrow right here and confirm that it is your phone number. Tap on Continue and give it the permission to calls or access to your phone call logs. And once you receive a code to your phone number, type it right here. Make sure you type it correctly and it will continue automatically. And just like that, you have created a Telegram account in 2023. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.